Kaylee Crew and Co.
I'm Corinne.
And I'm Alyssa.
And we are on Arthur's Seat.
Yeah.
And behind us is a view of Edinburgh. Aldreekie.
So we are just actually pretty close to Duddingston, aren't we?
We're parked just outside Duddingston Kirk, which is beautiful. And it has a wee garden in it called Dr. Neil's Garden, which is really worth going to visit because it's a beautiful garden.
So the song we've decided to do today is kind of related to Duddingston.
Yeah, it is.
This is called My Bonnie Lies Over the Ocean.
And there's a wee debate about whether it's about Bonnie Prince Charlie or not, but we discovered, didn't we?
Yeah, I think it is, isn't it?
That it is.
Yeah. Let us
You're
know what you
welcome
think.
to write to us and tell us what you
if
think.
we're wrong. So actually, we think Bonnie Prince Charlie, or the story is that Bonnie Prince Charlie went to what was one of the oldest pubs.
Yes. Now, Bonnie Prince Charlie was hidden in Duddingston, and you can actually go and visit the house that he was hidden in. And it said that he actually drank with friends at the Sheephead, which is the oldest pub in Scotland.
So let us know if you've ever been there before.
Yeah. The Queen has. I don't know if that puts you off or not, but she has.
And apparently Bonnie Prince Charlie.
Yes.
So join in with us if you know this. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. My Bonnie lies over the sea. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. Oh, bring back my Bonnie to me. Bring back, bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me, to me. Bring back, bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me. Oh, blow ye winds over the ocean. Oh, blow ye winds over the sea. Oh, blow ye winds over the ocean and bring back my Bonnie to me. Bring back, bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me, to me. Bring back, bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me. Last night as I lay on my pillow, last night as I lay on my bed, last night as I lay on my pillow, I dreamt that my Bonnie was dead. Bring back, bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me, to me. Bring back, bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me. The winds have blown over the ocean. The winds have blown over the sea. The winds have blown over the ocean and brought back my Bonnie to me. Bring back, bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me, to me. Bring back, bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me. Bring back, bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me, to me. Bring back, bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me. Bring back, bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me, to me. Bring back, bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Thanks so much. Please, can you like, subscribe and share? We're trying to get to as many people as possible. And have an absolutely lovely week. It's such a beautiful sunny day here in Arthur's Seat.
Hopefully you sang along to that one too.
Yeah, absolutely. And do come to Arthur's Seat for a wee walk over the Christmas break. And
We'll see you all next week.
see you next week.
Bye,
Big hugs.
everyone.
Bye, everyone.